In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set a Dynamic Astronomy iPhone lock screen wallpaper on your iPhone device. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first you have to know that this feature works on iOS 16 and later, so first make sure that you have updated your device to the latest iOS version. And then you can lock your screen, then press on power button again to open up your lock screen, and now you can hold down somewhere at free space on lock screen to bring up that edit mode, and from here you can tap on plus sign to open up that options, and then just drag to the left here for a bit to see astronomy. Just tap on that. And now it shows you Dynamic Astronomy wallpaper. Now you can customize that wallpaper in any way that you want. You can swipe over to change how it looks like. There are 5 different presets here. You can switch between Earth, Earth detail, Moon, Moon detail, and the solar system. Also, here you can tap add plus sign where it says add widgets to add up to 4 widgets here depending on their size just by tapping on that widget. And now when you are done with that, you can hit somewhere at free space to go out of widget selection, and then just tap on add to add this wallpaper as your wallpaper pair. Just tap here, and now that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.